Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will teach you all about DEXScreener. Here you can see that I have opened the DEXScreener. You can find this app in the Apple and Android and you can download that. Here you can see that I'm on the home page, and in the home page you can see a lot of coins, and here you can see how these coins are doing. You can see these coins price, age, volume, market cap and all these things. So here on the top you can see different filters as well. So I will teach you all about these filters and coins one by one. So let's begin the video. Here you can filter these coins on the basis of their last 24 hours activity. Here you can see that 24-hour activity on the top. Here I have applied for 5 minutes. You can see that they are loading. Now you can see the coin that have progressed more in the last 5 minutes. Here you can see all these coins, and similarly you can see here more options like trending option. Here you have. Now if I go and if I open one coin for you, so here I'm opening the first coin here on the top one. So here you can see how this coin is doing. Here you can see the chart for this coin, how well this coin is doing, and here you can also see different things. On the right you can also see the coin's age 1 hour ago. You can see the liquidity and the market cap as well, and similarly you can also see here top gainers as well for this coin. You can see here different top gainers, and you can also see the snappers here and liquidity provider as well, and all these things you can see in a coin. And now let's go back here. Let's talk about more filters. Here you have the top filter where you can see top volume and TXNS, and you also have this gainer option where you can also choose the hours and minutes here as well. Here you can see 5 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hour and 24 hour. And similarly you can also see here the new pairs 1 hour ago, 6 hour ago, 24 hour ago, 3 days, 7 day, and you can also see the newest option here as well. Here you can see these coins age 1 hour ago, 4 hour ago. This filter is used for separating coins on the basis of their age. Here you can see the coins and their ages 5 hour ago, 5 hour ago, and this 19 hour ago, and all these things here. Now next you have the profile, boosted and advertisement option. You can also see which is boosted. Here you can see the boosted and one as well. You can see the boosted profile one as well, and here you also have the rank option where you can rank them by their ascending or descending order. Here you can also see the customize filter where you can also customize a filter for these coins. Here you can find all the meme coins, the coins that are doing best. You can see there. Now I'm opening one coin. Here I open this sky price. Here you can see this sky price age 3 hours ago. You can see the chart as well, and you can also see its liquidity and market cap. Here you can see it has such a good liquidity and market cap. You can also compare different coins by adding them into your watch list. So for that, simply scroll down. Here you can see the option watch list. Here you have the main watch list option. Now you can see that we have added the coin in the watch list. For seeing this coin, simply click on the left hand side on the watch list. Here you can see these two coins that we have added on the watch list, and you can also add a pair here as well by clicking on the add pair option, and you can also share this watch list if you want to. And similarly we have the alert option here where you can also enable notifications, and we have the multi-chart here option where you can add different chart and you can compare that. For adding charts, simply click on add chart here. You can also add here suggested charts of different famous coins. So for that, simply click on suggested chart. Here you can find different charts, and you can see here we have 3 charts. Here you can judge these coins on the basis of their chart, and you can see their progress. No need to opening each coin and seeing their graph separately. You can see all this graph in one page. That's how the multi-chart option work. Here you also have this option called new pair. In this new pair option, you can find all the newly launched coin created 1 hour ago, 5 hour ago. Here you can also see the coin created even a few minutes ago, and similarly you can also here apply different filters. And you also have this option called gainer and losser here where you can see different gainers and losser. Here you also have these options in the filter, but here you also have these options with different folder names. So here you can also see the option called portfolio. Here you can add a wallet and you can track your wallet progress later on. Similarly you also have this advertise option here. Here you can see the advertise option, and you can order here as well. Now if you scroll, you can see here the moonshoot option as well. You can click on that, and in the moonshoot you can find all the newly launched coins. Here you will see all the trending, newly launched, top, rising coins as well. And that was all about DEXScreener and DEXScreener's feature and how you can use that. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.